You're not scared anymore, are you? Well, that's and she has such confidence, she's no longer afraid of the dark. Click here to subscribe! Stay out! It's getting late, but the little buses are nowhere to be seen. Where could they be?
Nagoy na palong. Na brown out.
For a date?